Welcome to Excel Speedrun episode 16. By the end of this video, we are going to learn about what is a smart art and more about dashboard. First of all, let us learn what is a smart art. Smart art is a dynamic type of image that you often see in PowerPoint slides. What you see now is also a smart art. Smart art can be used to group list of information together. Now, if you know what a smart art is and different types of smart art, you can skip through the section. Otherwise, please bear with me as I explain all the smart art, as all of these are extremely important by creating the dashboard. First is a list, then we have process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, and pictures. Now let us see the first one. The first one is the list. It is used to list out all the items. Let us see this in Excel. First of all, how to insert the smart art. Go to the insert tab and under the illustrations, you get the option smart art. Though it is small, you can see there are wide range of things you can use this for. Let us take the varying width list and then let us add few examples like admission and fees, documents. So for admission you need admission, you should have fees and the related documents. In this way you can create the list of all the important things. This is known as the list type smart art. You can add and delete, including changing the colors and make it 2D or 3D. The next one on the list is process. When you want to depict a process like from A to B to C, you need process. An example for process is process of photosynthesis. Let's go to smart art. Under the process, click on basic process. Then let us write the related items like first is sunlight, then sunlight travels to become, then glucose is formed under the plant cell and it stores as starch. Okay, so don't pay attention to what I am saying scientifically, but have an approach to how to create. This is how you create list. Moving on to the next one, we have cycle. Cycle is used to show the process. For example, water cycle. Now let us see how to add cycle. Repeat the process and now as an example, we are adding the water cycle. First go to the cycle and now let us insert the process. Rain, which is followed by ocean, stream, vapor, and clouds. This is an example of water cycle. And in this way you can create cycles in Excel with same color and format option. Next we are going to learn is hierarchy. You have a family hierarchy in which the most important comes at the highest position while the subdivisions comes lower. Now let us see an example of hierarchy. Go to the insert, illustrations, smart art and hierarchy. This is an hierarchy. Now let us see how does this work? Let's draw an extremely simple hierarchy of a company. Like, take an example, company. The company has three subsidiaries like tea company, coffee company, and sugar company. If you want some details about the sugar company, you can press the tab so it goes on the next one. If you put backspace, it goes on the previous one. Now we want it under the subcategory of sugar. For example, in sugar company, we have jaggery, sweets, and syrup. This is how you form a chart in Excel. This is hierarchy. You can change the layout of the hierarchy through this process. For example, you can use the hierarchy like this, in this manner, or in any other slides you prefer. Next on the list we have relationship. It is used to show the relationship of one item with another. Let us see how this works. Repeat the process till now, and under relationships you can use many types. Let us take the one. You know the Newton's third law, each force an equal and opposite reaction. Let us take the example and write it down. Force 1, force 2. So you can show the chart like this. This is an example. You can use many more charts for different purposes. You must choose the chart according to the information you have. The next on the list we have is matrix. Matrix is used to show the location on graphical basis. For example, let us go and add a matrix. So under the matrix here we add the area name as area 3, area 4, area 2, and area 1. In this way you can show the 4 different areas, and you can also change the color, shape, style. This is the use of matrix. Next we have is the pyramid. It is used to show a hierarchy level. In this pyramid, you add grass at the lower bottom while having the carnivorous animals at the top bottom. Select the basic pyramid and type grass, deer, and lion. This is an example of basic hierarchy. So lion, deer, and grass. Lions are in the least, grass is the most. You have same options as you had with others. In this way you can add pyramids. And pictures. So what is the use of pictures? If you want to add pictures along with some important text, you can use this feature. For example, in the smart art you can see pictures, and you just have to select a picture. I select this frame text picture. For adding the picture, click on the icon and use browse from a file, and from the downloads insert, then you can add whatever text you want, like A is a alphabet, and any other statement you want. This is how to add pictures. This is all you have to learn about smart art. Then you are going to learn about dashboard, having charts, smart art, pivot table, important tool data, and slicers. You can use this information to create important data tables. For example, let us learn. Here we are in sheet 1. Now let us create a small dashboard here. What is dashboard, you ask? Dashboard is important data analysis of the table. Let us select. First we are going to learn is charts. Go under the charts and recommended charts. Select the sum of item by price. Click on OK. You get a pivot table and a chart. The next thing we are going to do is add slicers. For example, go to in table designs. Under the table designs, we go to insert slicers, select the date region, click on OK, and two slicers are available to us. Next is we are going to do is add important information. For example, go to table design and then add the total row. You get the total row, then go to insert, illustration, shapes, select a shape, add the shape. In the formula bar, write is equal to G22 and the information is updated in the circle. This is how to add information in the circle. Along with this, you can add smart arts if you want. For example, go to insert, illustrations, smart art, and simple smart art such as hierarchy. Select hierarchy, click on OK, and then move the box a bit of left side and start adjusting. For example, under the region, you only have east and west. Under the west, you can sell oil paints, paper, glass color, pencil, giving the same information in the east tab. Don't forget to add tabs in all of them. In this way, you can perform the smart art. And let's add design of 3D shape. This is the smart art. So that is all we have to learn. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our different videos too. Thank you. See you later and bye.